I think the first thing I'm going to tackle will be the drawers. My new desk has all 4 legs, obviously, but I think I can still keep this under there and kind of keep it at this height. I, as always, have a mess in here, so I'm going to try my best to organize it and hopefully keep it organized and only have things in here that I actually need and use. The desk is a lot bigger, so I didn't really think about it when I did it or when I picked it out. I want to say this desk is like 3-ish feet. Wait, hold on. So this current desk is about, yeah, 47 inches. So it's 3 feet and 11 inches. And my new desk that I got without thinking is 5 feet long. Starting from here, this is like the 60-inch. I think I still have the space. It'll just come out a little bit further here. I have a few more things coming in the mail today. It should be here like in 2-ish hours. So in the meantime, we're focusing on these and putting off bringing the desk up because I really don't feel like doing that. I emptied all of my sewing stuff from there. So I have all of my sewing things, all of my needlework, and all of my scrapbooking stuff. I also ended up completely emptying the junk drawer. I forgot to wipe it out. I was originally going to just ignore it and focus on the other 4, but I was like, I don't ever go in here for anything. I'm not currently in school, so I don't need any of my architecture stuff. May as well actually make use of it.
I feel like the scrapbook should be on the bottom. I don't know why. I feel like maybe needlework and then sewing here. Yeah, so we're sewing in this one, needlework in this one, and then scrapbooking in this one. Or maybe the other way around, needlework at the bottom. I'm not sure yet.
But I'm not gonna completely organize it. Just going to throw the things in there. So this is the same brand as these. I just got them in white, obviously. A little green, but that's okay. So we got some faux tulips. Next, I think these are coasters, yeah. So I got 2 sets of coasters. These are the wooden ones. My prized possession. It was on Hulu for some time, and it was on extended edition HBO for some time as well, and then it just hasn't come back, and I was like, I've waited for too long. Also got a headphone hanger, which I think I mentioned. Oh, I thought it was gonna be clear, but it's white. It has a little command strip, so this will probably go on the back of this thing still. It could be for my work headset or for my actual headphones, which I can't get to right now because this is against my drawer, but either or. I think these are the coasters. Here, hold on. I don't know what you call this. Like, it's like a gradient type deal. This here is my laptop stand. My laptop kind of goes from place to place. A lot of the time it's under my nightstand, but sometimes it is on my desk. Like, can I get my laptop from here? Probably not. Okay, so I'm able to kind of rest my laptop here. It's the cutest thing ever. Is that not so, oh my gosh, I'm so happy. And then I can also, let me get it. Boom, boom. Oh, all right. Wow, oh my gosh, I think I'm the most excited about this, and I didn't think I would be. Love. Okay, the last thing we got is the vase for the tulips. Look how cute. The biggest headache because I'm still pretty sick, so I'm just gonna make sure that it at least works so that I can sleep well tonight. So this guy, I'm still gonna have the file cabinet under the desk. So yeah, that's the plan for tomorrow. I'm very proud of myself. up. I think I want to go ahead and figure out the wire situation and probably set the height. I'm gonna go ahead and attach this first and then we'll plug everything up. So I'm gonna try to figure all of that out. I don't really know where to start with that. So after doing some research, I need these two very desperately. What is this? A cable box? A cable box, so I can plug this into my wall and then have it sit in the little basket under my desk. And then these wires are just gonna, or wire holders will keep everything in place. Those are on the way. I have two that delivered today. And I also saw that it was a good idea to set everything up and then do like all of the wire management. So yeah, we're still doing everything right somehow. So that's sitting right above, at least, you know, the little, there's like a metal bar in the middle, so that's sitting there. Okay, so we set the height as the M key, and it'll show 5 negative. And then we just select the one, yes, so this is for sitting.
Question.
And then we're also gonna do standing. And again, we're gonna hit M, and this is for standing. have the cable clips and the power bank or power strip. So with this, at least to my understanding, if I have this plugged up to the wall, this is the only thing that has to like stretch. It's like bringing the desk up and down. Everything else is going to be in the basket, including this. So I think everything else should be fine. And then I'll mount everything to the desk with these.